Hello everyone, welcome to latest news updated program. The topic of discussion: Tripura declared fully literate state. This topic relate to miscellaneous section of the UPSC CSE syllabus. Tripura literacy achievement. Tripura has been declared a fully literate state, becoming the third state in India to achieve this after Goa and Mizoram. The declaration is a part of the ULAS Now Bharat Saksharta Karyakram, New India Literacy Program aligning with the National Education Policy 2020. Key points: Tripura literacy rate has risen to 95.6%, up from 22-24% in 1961. A state is considered fully literate when its literacy rate exceeds 95% as per the central government norms. This achievement reflects the state's efforts to empower its population with essential skill, boosting social and economic development. Tripura, a former princely state, merged with the Indian Union on 1st July 1949, located in northeast Indian, covering an area of 10,498 square kilometer with an 856 kilometer long border with Bangladesh. Over 60% of the area is forested, leaving about 27% for cultivation. The state has several rain-fed non-perennial river and streams flowing into Bangladesh. ULAS initiative, launched by the Indian government to promote lifelong and bridge gap in literacy and life skill for citizens aged 15 and above. The scheme has been in place since 2022 across the country, aims to empower individuals with essential knowledge and skills for a personal and national development. The ULAS mobile app serves as a digital gateway via the Diksha portal. Now is the time for practice question. What literacy rate does a state need to achieve in order to be declared fully literate in India? Option A 90%, B 95%, C 85%, D 92%. Send the answer for this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.